Today is July the 27th, 2020. We're here at Hildebrand Machinery, and this is the Moore CNC jig grinder, stock number 19035P. This is the movement test, set up in MDI. We're sitting in the middle of the table at 000, and we have set up to go 2 inches in 4 directions, plus and minus each axis. So we'll push the start button and see where she goes. And that's what she does.